Beetroot coconut fry recipe, one of the famous South Indian beetroot recipe. This recipe is very famous in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1/4 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 1/4 teaspoon Fennel Seeds, 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, 2 dry red chillies, 4 garlic cloves, half cup of grated coconut. Mix it well. Dry roast for 2 minutes on low flame. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder jar. Just grind it like this. Keep it for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Wait until mustard seeds splutter. Then add 1 chopped onion and some curry leaves. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame. Now add 250 grams of chopped beetroot, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Stir it in between every 2 minutes to avoid burning. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Keep it to high flame and dry up excess water. Then add grounded mixture to it. Add 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Our beetroot poriyal or beetroot coconut fry recipe is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.